In this short video, we want to show you the capabilities of the Empower web add-ins. The web add-ins are directly integrated into PowerPoint, Word, and Excel online. In PowerPoint, you can just click on the library from Empower and you have multiple options. One is to just choose your company template and to get started, like you can see here. Just opening up a new blank template and you're good to go. Alternatively, you can also choose to create and assemble a presentation directly from within Empower. In this case, we'll open up Empower Library again. We might want to filter by language, so we just see English slides, for example. We just go to corporate slides and pick a one slide and add it to a cart. We check out some features which we want to also show in our presentation. So we choose multiple slides again, add them to the cart and add some more references as always. And have a set of slides available now. And now we can simply create a new presentation. And you can see that here in the top bar, you can go to the card and choose, for example, open a new tab. You could also use the desktop app or download the file. We are opening up in the browser because we want to remain within our web add-ins. You can now see here, so this is the presentation assembled. We can add, of course, additional slides like a cover slide or an end slide and just finish up our presentation and are good to go. Last but not least, we can also use our automation engine incorporated into Empower. So we can, for example, say we want to create a company presentation, and here a wizard pops up and asks us for specific input. So we can make our choices here based on that specific template. And once we've made our choices, we click on Create, and the ready-to-go presentation has been created. We can download it and send it to a client, or we can make further edits in the desktop app, of course. So, talking about Word. In Word, it's the same story. We have the Empower library directly integrated as a web add-in. We can now, for example, say we want to create a new document based on a template. So we click here and we choose a specific, for example, like a normal letter, and we open it up in a new tab. Here are our profile data, so we can edit our own profiles, get all the company data and all the information from Azure AD, and a new Word document is compiled dynamically with our contact information, with our legal company data in the bottom. So everything is legally compliant and brand compliant, and we are ready to create our Word document. Alternatively, just like in PowerPoint, we can also do an automation. So we, for example, can choose a specific template inside our library. Let's say we want to create a proposal. So here with the proposal automation, we can just, again, say we want to create this proposal. The wizard pops up and we have to give now other inputs based on that specific proposal template. For example, users, pricing, customizing options, etc. So we fill in the gaps and then we click on Create, and this new document is automatically created. We can again download it, make further edits, or send it directly to our client. And last but not least, let's have a look at Excel. And Excel, we also have the Empower library, as you're already familiar with now. You can again choose to create a new template. Or just base a new document on the existing template. So in that case, this is just a blank Excel file with our logo and all the corporate colors incorporated into that template. So that's a good starting point. Alternatively, we can also browse through our library of assets and, for example, search for specific dashboard visualizations. And now we see multiple versions of dashboards. We just pick one and can open it directly in the browser and take it from there and create our Excel file. So that was just a quick look at our web add-ins, and we hope you liked that video.